Hello, welcome you back to the Mandira Green X 7th edition Green X ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು. ಬಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಇದು 6th ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಲೋ ಗೈಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಫೈನಲಿ ಇದು ನಾವು ಎಗ್ನೇಸ್ ಪರ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಪರ್ 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಆನೇ ಸೀಸನ್ ಬಂದ ಎಗ್ನೇಸ್ ಪರ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇದು. ಈ ಸರ್ತಿ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಏನೇ ಎಡಿಷನ್ಗೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ದ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ನೋಡೋದು ಏನೇನು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹಾಂ 130 ರೂಪೀಸ್. ಹಾಂ
shops ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಫೀಸ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೋಮ್
ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸರ್.
ಹಾಂ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬಾಸ್
maybe 5%.
That I know, I already have it inside. So show me the battery life.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸೈಕಲ್ಸ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ.
Sides.
I still have it.
What about service, sir?
Their service is very good. There's a dealer even in Mysore does the service. Only I don't know where your dealer is. We'll see. So I got delayed because I had to buy a lock. So otherwise, I cannot leave it anywhere till I reach home.
What are features are there in your cycle van? What are the features are there?
Features means
Ah.
in that cycle
Ah.
9.5H battery,
Ah.
in that model 5H battery,
Okay.
that is 7H battery.
Ah.
I don't have
This is mid drive.
Okay, this is customer
Those are
vehicle.
all hub drive.
Ah.
This is mid drive.
Okay, this is
This
customer
is
vehicle.
e-moped
This is a customer vehicle. This is customer vehicle, na?
Customers, please.
లేకపోతే సెల్ఫీ తీసేసే ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
send the photo. Okay.
In this, what are features are there?
This is e-moped cycle.
Okay.
This is
Ah.
India's first e-moped cycle.
Okay.
We are manufacturer.
Okay.
Pedalis
Okay.
region.
Okay.
Per charge it will give you 85 to 100 kilos.
Okay. What are the cost for on the cycle?
So that model is 27,000.
Okay.
That is 30,000.
Okay.
That is 35,000.
This one?
This is 85.
85.
This is 70.
Okay. What is the brand?
Pedalis.
Pedali. Okay. In Bangalore, your showroom is there?
Yes, Just by Cycles is South India's largest cycle outlet.
Okay.
They are dealers.
Okay. Because you guys first time showcasing here, na? The event, na?
In Bangalore, yes.
In the Green Expo, first time showcasing.
Yes, first time.
This is very unique as well.
Yes.
Unique as well.
India's first week.
Looks like like a moped, like a pedal moped.
E-moped.
Looks like a pedal moped only.
Moped.
A very nice job. It's a unique style moped.
Clever. You get also you'll experience all this.
India's first moped actually. Very nicely. It's the company name. Very unique company. It has a chain driven. Same like a moped like the compare seats are there. You will get two flat tires.
Price क्या है?
85,000.
What is the range?
85 to 100 kilometer. 100 kilometer. 85 to
Price कितने का?
85,000.
85K. 85K. आएगा.
This is all carbon wheels, no?
Sir?
This is a carbon type, no? Carbon alloy, no?
Wheel is magnesium alloy.
Okay. Because what I've seen in the races, the razors used looks like simple like it looks. Wheel looks like
It's a unique wheels.
okay.
So it will give you
Okay.
stylish.
Okay.
That is 85,000. How much? 80. This is 70. This is 25. That is 30. This is 30. Electric.
And what only the servicing cost?
Battery 2 years.
Okay.
Motor 2 years.
Okay.
Controller 1 year.
Okay. What is one you are telling? So
All
the
cycle it is
vehicle
common.
common.
Battery 2 years.
Okay.
Controller 1 year.
Okay.
Motor 2 years.
Okay.
H2 நேத்து பண்ணீங்கல்ல
This is the cycle there. Very unique cycle of India. Okay. They're telling India's e-cycle largest selling pepper e-cycling JCB. Daijo Private Limited is a brand of a unique product. What are this one? It's all the vehicle boards, huh?
Sorry?
This for all for the vehicle boards, huh? We have some precise fastener private limited vehicular bolts they have created here. You can see. All types of vehicle they create bolts, screws, studs and fasteners they have done. That's the screws they have done. For each sector also they make the screws they have done.
No, yours is top side. Just for heating purpose. Charging.
Where it is battery used for?
Sorry, sir.
Where it is battery used for?
This battery is used for now in drone applications, sir.
Okay.
We are also using for vehicle application also. We are using.
Okay. All for the EV
also we are using, sir.
Okay. For drone and EV are telling basically.
Drone and EV are using.
Okay. like what would be the lifespan of the battery?
Sorry?
What would be the lifespan for the battery?
Life compared to lithium ion battery, it's high, sir. High only, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, right now we are getting around 6.
Okay. Compared to normal battery, it is better, you are telling, eh? Compared to normal battery, it is much
It
much
is
better.
metal batteries.
What would the cost for this one?
Costly compared, it's a little bit high only. Cost wise, we are not finalizing.
Okay.
We are just in prototype.
Okay. Okay. Currently you are made only for the drone and EV currently you are made the battery. you are telling.
Drone and EV only we are made.
Prototype currently going on. After we'll be doing for other vehicles also, almost in future
Yes,
for
yes,
all the
yes.
for commercial segment also.
Not in future, in after 6 months.
Okay. Where is factory located? Like actually.
Bangalore, opposite of Jakuri Aerodrome.
Okay. Okay. Nice to meet.
Yeah, thank you.
Very nice concept also.
Yeah,
for
thank
the
you.
John
Your
battery.
good name?
I'm Pratik. Okay.
From which company?
I'm basically from Axe. We're into TMT, home automation, searching video.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
First time I'm waiting for the drone battery. Normally for drone battery, we people go for the normal battery. They go for the DDI drone I've seen.
Yeah.
But you use very unique. You use aftermarket battery, na?
Yeah, this is new technology.
Is it aftermarket battery, na? For all the drones, na? You're telling, na?
This is not in market.
Okay. Just in future battery gets
future it,
releases, sir.
We'll replace the lithium to the solid
What
state
will the
batteries.
cost for the DJI drone? It will be around for you. Like normal battery will be much cost. 2x costier or
Our battery based on the capacity price will be vary.
Okay, very okay.
Start from 20,000 to 50,000, 5 lakhs also it is there, 10 lakhs also.
Okay, now currently DJI drone battery comes around 30 minutes are for the users who use it. Your battery will be more comes to 40 minutes or it will be same really in compared to minutes, recording minutes.
Charging minute. Charging minute less only.
After charging, the people use for the shooting for the data use
Based
drone,
on their application.
drone,
Based on their
the normal DJI comes around 30 minutes are for the
Based on their application, based on the usage.
Yours will be more than that or
More than that.
same only?
More
than that. Okay.
More than that.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
you. What are these things? What are you showcase?
Huh?
This is what kind of parts of showcase there? The things,
sheet metal component.
Okay. Mainly used in all the commercial vehicles, no?
Yeah, commercial.
Okay.
Commercial passenger two-wheeler.
Okay. You will outsource the parts to all the two-wheeler companies, no?
No, we are like manufacturing them all.
Okay.
Yeah, we are manufacturing them.
Okay.
Everything is in-house.
Okay.
Like
All the-
stamping,
Okay.
welding, machining,
Okay.
painting, putting.
Okay.
everything.
These are all the walls, no? These are all the commercial vehicle wall, no? Walls, no?
Piston.
Oh, okay, piston. You do all the engine components, everything is there in this totally.
Yeah.
All the clutch plate, rotary plate, everything you do.
Sorry?
You do all the engine parts, bearings, clutch plates like that, no?
Yeah, we do.
Okay. And company, the branch approach you, no?
Faridabad.
Okay.
It's in Faridabad.
Okay. The current overall Hyundai, these are companies come and approach your company, no? For all these parts, no?
Yeah.
For the vehicles.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. These are the product you are telling for car, two-wheelers, scooters, trucks, and pickups. All these vehicles, what you do? The power backups. You also do for train also you do basically. For train also you do. One day Bharat. Tractors, everything I put. you basically you also sell machines you sell, no?
Yeah.
You sell machines come components both in the market. Line Auto India Private Limited. What are the features are there in your auto? What are the features I'm seeing here? What are the features are there in a commercial auto?
Features.
Ah,
Right, we wanted to discuss something on the technical
Three variants.
okay.
Two variants.
Ah,
This is large
okay.
variant and
Okay.
that is small variant.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So the
What
load
else?
capacity is 550 for this.
Okay.
And for this it is 300.
Okay.
Yes. Sir.
Ah,
And the range of this is 120.
okay.
Yeah. And that is 80.
Okay. Okay. What's the difference in yours and others? Bajaj will compare or the feature compare in the market. What is the difference in your features are there in your auto, commercial auto, feature something?
Yes, sir. So the load capacity is 550.
Okay. Inside everything is same only, no? It's locked, no? Everything remains same, no? Same like a normal auto only.
The cluster thing.
Okay. Okay. Yours come all the digital meter is there. Digital meter.
Yes, sir.
Others come with the analog meter is currently market. You guys you go get digital meter.
Yes, sir.
But it looks same only. What's the price currently you're offering?
So
What's-
we are offering around 3.9, sir. And
Okay.
depends on the requirement, sir.
Okay.
If it's a closed body or
Okay.
open body.
Okay. What is in that one? Features are there?
We have a
In this, what is features are there? In Hindi, what all features I'm seeing?
so you can have a digital cluster.
Uh,
All these things. It's an open
Okay.
body. That
Okay.
is a closed one.
Okay.
That is a difference. And we also have another product
okay.
that is used for going up and down
Okay.
as a ladder.
Okay.
So I'll show you the demo.
No, no. What would the cost for this one?
It is around 2.4. sir.
Okay. To totally your showcase three variants your showcase jar, na?
Sir?
3 variants your showcase jar. That's
Yes,
what. One.
These both are same actually.
Same, okay.
Only the product is not
Okay.
fitted in that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We go look at it in which company is this one?
Based in Bangalore only. sir.
Okay, because recently wearing this company brand, that's what I just asked.
Yeah, sir. Reconfirm.
Okay, okay. This is a brand new brand, no?
Yes, sir. So these are all the prototypes now.
Okay,
The production will be starting in August.
okay,
Yes.
okay. Where is the showroom located in Bangalore?
Sarjapura Road. sir.
Okay,
Got it,
okay,
Sarjapura.
okay,
Manufacturing is in Pune.
okay. You are currently you are the dealership is in Tajapur you are telling
Yes.
currently. This is a very unique system you have made here.
Yes.
This one I'm saying the safe climbing and easy working.
Yes. Sir.
What is the cost for this one? What is the cost of this equipment? This cost for what is this equipment you have telling easy climb?
Sir.
What's the cost for this one?
I should know.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
The other person.
Okay, okay, okay. It is just a plug and play
Yes, sir. It is
play
operated
system,
by
no?
remote control.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you have a building, just if you have to put it in the building and you can only go up to it, no?
Yes, sir.
What
There are two variants. We
Okay.
can fit it on the vehicle also.
Vehicle also?
We can keep on the ground also.
Okay,
There,
okay,
that's it.
okay, okay. In case of emergency, it's going to help you're telling, no?
Yes, sir.
In case of if any
There are also
okay,
sensors.
okay,
So if only the person is inside,
okay,
it will be working.
okay,
And also if there is an issue, we can control it from here also.
okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
um,
These are the
Okay.
charging points.
okay. One person is the load capacity, na? In this, na?
The load 120, sir.
Okay. 180 ton or telling kgs or telling?
Kgs, kgs.
Okay, kgs.
Because
Okay.
one person will be
Okay,
going.
okay, I know.
So maximum
Okay,
one person can ride
okay,
120.
okay. unique item I'm seeing here. They are showcased. Because a lot of time I went to, I come to this expo, often I'm seeing the kind of variety I'm seeing in the expo, I'm seeing that. That's why I just asked. Very nice. This also you are having,
This is in the designing phase now.
Okay, designing phase. Okay. We're creating a car also.
Available
Okay.
by November, sir.
Okay. 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 Very nice.
That is
A nice company has come today. It's the Eco Mobility Railing has come. Planetary Gearbox. This is the same company, no? We use all these vehicles, no? Okay.
yeah, this is the Pisitor
Okay.
or gearbox.
Okay, gearbox. Mainly used for commercial vehicles like that, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
इनकी बैट इसमें रखते हैं
Limited. Visa.
जी
What are the features are there in the EV?
जी जी
EV, what are the features are there? I'm seeing.
आज ये भी
What are the features are there? Your showcase. What are the features I'm asking you?
सर फीचर्स
हाँ।
सबके अलग अलग हैं इनके
हाँ
ये 12x12 इंची का टायर है
हाँ
72 कंट्रोलर है 1200
हाँ।
वाट की मोटर
हाँ
है
हाँ
डबल डिस्क है
ओके
इसमें आपको
हाँ
जेंट्स फुटरेस्ट भी मिलेगी
ओके
और लेडीज फुटरेस्ट भी
हाँ
मिलेगी
हाँ
ये क्यूटी प्लस है सर
ओके
12 इंची का टायर है डबल डिस्क है
हाँ।
72 कंट्रोलर है 1200
हाँ।
वाट की मोटर है
हाँ
इसमें भी आपको सेम ही मिलेगा
ओके
जेंट्स फुटरेस्ट भी मिलेगी आपको
हाँ।
लेडीज फुटरेस्ट भी मिलेगी
ओके ओके
ये क्यूटी सुपर है
हाँ
12 इंची का टायर है इसके
ओके।
72
हाँ।
कंट्रोलर है
हाँ।
1200 वाट की मोटर है
हाँ
इसमें आपको लेडीज फुटरेस्ट नहीं मिलेगी लेकिन जेंट्स फुटरेस्ट मिलेगी
ओके।
इसका जो स्पेस है वो बड़ा
ओके
है
ओके हाँ
ये आपको ये है एक्टिवा
हाँ ओके
इसके 12 इंची का
हाँ।
टायर है 72 कंट्रोलर है
हाँ।
डबल डिस्क है
हाँ
इसमें भी आपको जेंट्स फुटरेस्ट भी मिलेगी
हाँ
जी
हाँ
ये आती है डबल लाइट
ओके
इसमें आपको 12-10 के टायर मिलेंगे
ओके
48-72 कंट्रोलर
हाँ,
मिलेगा
हाँ,
1000 वाट की मोटर मिलेगी
हाँ।
और DRL लाइट मिलेगी
ओके
फ्रंट डिस्क
हाँ
फिर आती है सिंगल लाइट
ओके
इसमें 12-10 के टायर है
ओके।
48-72 कंट्रोलर है DRL लाइट है
ओके।
फ्रंट डिस्क है 1000 वाट की मोटर
ओके
जी
what
इन सबके डिजिटल मीटर
okay what's the cost valued on the scooter
सर सबकी कॉस्ट अलग अलग है
okay
क्योंकि विदाउट बैटरी अलग है
okay
और विद बैटरी अलग है
Okay.
हमारे
Okay.
पास लेड एसिड बैटरी भी है
हाँ।
और लिथियम बैटरी भी हमारे पास दो हैं एक
Okay.
48 वोल्ट 32 एच
okay
एक 60 वोल्ट 32
हाँ,
एच
हाँ
एक 60 वोल्ट 45
Okay.
सबकी कॉस्ट अलग है
okay what's the two new bikes of showcase these two bike what are features are there
लो स्पीड बाइक है सर
okay
70 इंची के टायर है
हाँ
इसके
हाँ
नॉन आरटीओ है
okay
बगैर लाइसेंस के चलेगी
okay हाँ
इसकी स्पीड 40 से 50 है
okay
रेंज बैटरी पर डिपेंड करती है आप कौन सी
Okay.
बैटरी लेते हो
okay
मेरे पास 140 किलोमीटर तक चलने की बैटरी है
okay
BLDC हब मोटर है
हाँ
IP67
okay
वाटर प्रूफ
हाँ okay this one is same thing, yeah? This is the same thing only.
ये हाई स्पीड मॉडल है सर,
Okay, okay.
आरटीओ रजिस्ट्रेशन,
Okay,
17 इंची के टायर है, इसमें एलॉय व्हील है,
okay,
BLDC हब
Okay.
मिड ड्राइव एंड मोटर
Okay.
चैन सिस्टम है,
okay,
70 से 80 स्पीड है,
okay,
120 प्लस रेंज है,
okay,
इसमें 48 वोल्ट 52
Okay.
एच की
Okay.
2 बैटरी है,
Okay.
सेपेबल एंड रिमूवेबल।
okay. What is the this is the cost variant, na? Cost.
कॉस्ट इसकी सर 180,000
Okay,
एक्स शोरूम प्राइस।
okay. This one.
सर इसका 50,000 है
Okay,
विदाउट बैटरी प्राइस,
okay,
68,5,000
okay,
इसका
okay.
डीलर प्राइस।
Okay. We got very this company is from the brand I'm wearing.
एक्सीडा मोटर
हाँ.
प्राइवेट लिमिटेड,
It's some which state you come from?
यूपी ग्रेटर नोएडा।
Okay. That auto. What is the auto feature? The auto you showcase, no? The commercial auto. Okay, 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 okay. Full digital meter. Okay. Full digital meter as well. Commercial auto. This is the brand new XTI. UP by the telling nice. This is thing. Okay, nice.
थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी कौन है, जितना गर्म होगा उतनी हीट डिसिपेट करेगा बाहर, ठीक है सर। और इसमें ये वाटर प्रूफ और फायर प्रूफ बनाते हैं। अगर सपोज करो यहाँ से देखो आप, इसमें गैप है ही नहीं, ऑक्सीजन है नहीं, आग लगेगा नहीं, तो इनकेस अगर फायर होता है ओनली स्मोक होगा, नो स्पार्क्स, नो फ्लेम, ओनली स्मोक।
What is the system you showcase? What's the system you showcase? What's the item?
हमारा डिजाइन ऐसा है, BNS अलग है।
Okay.
अगर इसमें प्रॉब्लम आएगा तो उसको हम अलग करेंगे, फाड़ देंगे। तो भाई साहब अभी करिए, चीज़ें चॉकलेट बाद में लेना, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तब समझो, ठीक है। इसमें कोटिंग मटेरियल भरा है, अरे मत तोड़ यार, काम बात समझता हूँ, उसमें कुछ है और कुछ है इसमें, बता तो रहा हूँ, कुछ क्या सब कुछ बताना जरूरी है। ये फ्यूज निकल है, ये वाला निकल है, जो निकल है प्योर निकल है।
Eco Teja Super. The features are there. What are the features are there?
Yeah, yeah. Take it.
I want the features are there. Features.
Features.
Ah,
You can take it to photos and
okay, okay. What is the brand? Jetfly is there. It's a commercial vehicle. Alexa Pro written are there. Lots of vehicles showcase today. What all features are there in the scooters? What all features have showcase scooters here?
This is the ZTI models that we are providing. That is
Okay.
DRL in
Okay.
the middle,
Okay.
and that is the shining models
Okay.
like for the details.
Okay,
And that is a headlight over
Okay.
there,
Okay.
which have the output of 20 watt,
okay,
and the battery inside of
Okay.
this will be of 6 batteries in
Okay.
and the
okay,
controller would be of 72
okay,
watt.
okay. And this one? What is there in this one?
This one even
Ah,
that is double light.
okay,
There is a
Okay.
DRL.
okay,
We have the two lights which is like same,
okay,
and this is also a DRL.
okay,
The controllers in this model would be of 60 watt.
okay,
The battery will be there of 5 batteries of lead acid,
okay,
and for the lithium it will be of 2.
okay,
The motor inside that model would be of 1150.
Okay. What is the cost of these two vehicles? What's the on-road price in Bengaluru to cost? This one? Total cost?
Cost.
Ah,
This will cost around 17,000 without battery and charger.
okay. That one? The
And
flight?
that will cost around 30,000 without battery and
सर
charger.
इसका प्राइस भेज दें सर.
Okay, sir, I'll let you know.
This is a commercial vehicle, no?
Yeah, he'll let you know about the commercial vehicle.
Okay. This is a commercial vehicle, no?
Commercial vehicle.
Okay. Okay.
If you want no battery, no charger,
Okay.
it costs around
Ah.
46,200.
Okay. You was an Adas brand. What are the differences and your features with that?
Loading
You was an
capacity we have.
other brands. What features are there in your this commercial
Loading
vehicle?
capacity you can make a
Okay.
more
Okay.
packages.
Okay. What is the cost for this one? Currently?
This is cost around 6030H lithium ion battery, 67,000.
Okay. Okay.
It's a 75 kilometers of
Okay.
mileage.
Okay. This are all Alexa Pro. What are this one?
Same like that one.
Okay.
Same features.
Okay. Okay.
But it looks different more.
Okay.
Looks
Okay.
changes.
Okay. These are all RTO race bikes or what?
Non-race station.
All these are non-race bikes. Except is commercial. Except commercial vehicle. Others are all the non-race only.
These also non-race station.
Okay. What are the showcase? All non-race only.
Non-race.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay. Very which is this brand? First time I'm hearing this brand. No?
Eco-Tejas.
Eco-Tejas. Where is located?
It's
the brand?
located in Andhra Pradesh, Anantapuram district.
Okay. Okay. In Bangalore, there any showroom is there?
No, sir.
Okay. And if customers book a vehicle, we should book the vehicle. If you want to buy this vehicle.
I will get a
Okay. Okay. इसको ऑनलाइन बुकिंग वाली ना?
online also.
Okay. Okay.
We give a single vehicle also delivery.
Okay.
It charges a transportation.
Okay. Okay. What's your bike description?
That is a single item. It comes around 43,000. It's six batteries. You will get a 70 kilometers of mileage. We are manufacturing in Anantapuram district. Booty.
What are the bike specification? What are these two bikes I'm seeing here? Bike
This is
specification.
a KT100 Eco-Tejas model.
Okay. Okay.
It is high speed model.
Okay. Okay.
85 kilometers of speed.
Okay.
We give 120 kilometers of mileage.
Okay.
72 volts battery.
Okay. Okay. And this is the same thing. This is the high speed only, na?
Colors different.
Okay. Okay. And this is a low speed scooter only, no? EV max.
Low speed models are same.
Okay. Okay.
Everything was
Only high speed is the bike is high speed here.
Bike is only.
Auto you show what is the auto specification? The commercial auto you have specified, na? What is the specification of the EV auto there? Auto you have showcased then EV auto. What is that specification about?
Specifications do you want? It's a loader vehicle. We are giving loading capacity.
Okay.
We give 800 kgs of loading capacity.
Okay. Okay. What is the cost for that vehicle?
Cost.
Ah.
Loader vehicles we have starting 1,48,000.
Okay. This bike, what the cost of this high speed bike? What is cost?
This is cost around 90,000 plus.
Okay. Okay. The colors currently we are getting two colors, no?
No, yellow, red, black.
Okay. Okay.
How much cost Garuda?
This is the brand. Side wheels is there. Say which will get this feature of the vehicle. What are the features are there? What are the features are there?
Sorry?
The features.
Features?
Okay. 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 What are the cost for the vehicle? X wheels. What's the cost for your Honda? What's the 50 for this X this one?
This one is 50.
55. All these are high speed or low speed vehicles? No. All are low speed vehicles. Okay. Okay. Where is the which is this brand? New brand I'm wearing. X wheels. No, the company I'm saying.
Company?
This is a brand new company I'm wearing. In the exhibition, I'm seeing X Wheels. Where it is located? Your brand?
It is located in Delhi,
Okay. Is there any showroom in Bangalore?
Rajajinagar.
Okay. Okay. Just one, yes. X Wheels. Wheels. All the low-speed vehicles. They create factories also. What it is I'm seeing here? Your brand and your what are showcase? Your brand of showcase? I'm seeing them some photos. I'm seeing what is it about?
Sir, just we will provide machines
Okay.
for make a better bike.
Okay. Where it is used? This item where it is used?
Varieties is there, for New Year is there, New Year is there,
Okay.
for cell tester, back tester,
Okay.
and BMS
Okay.
tester.
Okay. I'm just asking where is used that sir?
Yes, sir.
Where is the used just ask? This batteries are showing fully auto assembly line. Where is used just ask sir?
For making full battery pack, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Cell tester.
Okay.
For if you want to say the lead
Okay.
chips, you
Okay.
every cell.
Okay.
And
Okay.
full battery pack test.
Okay.
And BMS test.
Okay.
After complete time full
Okay.
battery pack setup,
Okay.
it will test. It
Okay.
will find the capacity.
Okay. Okay.
And which one is good,
Okay.
which one is bad.
Okay. Okay. We're using all the making phone batteries. I think with the phone batteries in
Full
the
battery pack and small cell, battery pack, sir.
battery backup.
Battery pack will
Like the vehicle battery are telling sir. Touch batteries are telling.
yes.
Vehicle batteries and
Vehicle battery pack, yes, sir.
and UPS batteries for those in the machine are used.
UPS also, we will use
okay.
laptop also, we will
Okay,
use
okay.
for
All kinds of all variety types of batteries are
varieties,
telling.
yes, sir, you can use.
Small one button battery to all kinds of generator battery. This testing is used.
it will test, sir.
Okay.
Full battery.
Okay. What is the cost for this? Like,
Sir, maybe 1 lakh to 10 lakh it will go.
okay. Okay.
Based on range, sir.
Okay, range.
Range 5
Okay.
volt, 6
Okay.
amps,
Okay.
and 5 volt 10 amps, and
Okay.
60 amps,
Okay.
and 300
Okay.
volt 200 amps.
Okay. Okay. As per the customer requirement. Company and customer requirement. You
we will provide
such a
machines,
machine.
yes, sir.
Okay. Where is the showroom located? Your showroom?
Showroom located in warehouse. Is there in Mascot area, yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Semco
Semco Infratech,
Infratech company brand.
yes, sir. Semco
Okay.
Infratech is
Okay.
there.
The factory also is in Bengal City only, no?
Yes,
The
sir.
factory also.
Factory also is there in Triveni. Triveni Steel is there, you know, sir. Burigere Cross.
Okay.
Triveni Steel is
Okay.
there. In
Okay.
front of that,
Okay. Factory. Okay. You're a Bengal best band basically.
yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay.
You can take
Coimbatore brand item. Next next one we got eco dynamic equipment. So we can focus on EV vehicles. We'll see.
पंजाब आ गया ऐसे ये आपका भरोसा है
वाउचर कैंसिल कर देगा मैं ऐसा एक आप बनाया
What are the features are there? What are the features are there in this vehicle?
So ये आपको पैसेंजर मूवमेंट के लिए है
Okay.
मतलब वन प्लेस टू
हाँ,
अनदर प्लेस
हाँ.
दिस आर द व्हीकल्स आर यूज्ड इन
Okay.
होटल्स रिसॉर्ट्स
Okay.
एंड रेलवे स्टेशंस
Okay.
to move the
हाँ.
passengers to one place to
Okay.
another place.
Okay. What's the cost for this?
Basically, the starting price of the four-seater is about 4 lakh to 70,000,
Okay.
including tax 5%,
Okay.
and transportation is extra.
Okay. And this vehicle, what is the Ashoka? Another
Sir,
vehicle?
this is a on-road vehicle
Okay.
which we are going to launch in 1 or 2 months.
Okay. Okay. Still it is a prototype, no? Ashoka is na?
क्या सर?
This is a prototype,
prototype,
no?
हाँ, sir,
Okay.
हाँ, sir.
Okay. This one the price not released. The pricing of this has not been
Sir,
really
it
released, no?
will be costing about 4 to 4 lakhs.
Okay. Okay. All these are EV basically, no? Ashoka.
Basically EV vehicle.
Okay.
If you charge for 8 hours, it can travel up to 160 kilometers.
Okay.
And
What is the load capacity?
Load capacity 800 kg.
Okay. And the
It's in R&D purpose,
Okay,
R&D,
okay,
and
okay.
we are going to launch in 1 or 2 months.
okay. How much vehicle you have currently?
Sir, we have lots of vehicles. We
Okay.
have 7 to 9 models.
Okay.
Yeah, they are the inside campus vehicles.
Okay.
And remaining, we have on-road vehicles. There are 2 categories. That is
Okay.
L3 category,
Okay.
and this is a L5 category.
And these two vehicles,
These are the inside material movement vehicles.
vehicles. Okay. Where is the brand
Sir,
located?
we are located in Coimbatore,
Okay.
Tamil Nadu,
Okay.
and we supply all over Pan India.
Okay. Where is the showroom located in?
That is also located in
Bangalore?
Coimbatore only,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
near our manufacturing unit.
Okay, if customer to book the vehicle,
We can transport you.
You have to just they have to just send a mail to you, no?
Yeah,
They want
we
to
have,
buy the vehicle,
we
no?
have mail
Okay.
IDs and
Mail
contact
ID.
numbers
Okay,
given in this
okay, okay,
visiting card.
okay, okay, okay. This is a computer plan you're telling me.
Coimbatore unit.
Okay. What's the load capacity this one? Load capacity this one?
Sir, it can carry up to 750 to 800 kg.
Okay. And this is a 400 kg load capacity or a shop
That's a 500 kg
Okay.
loading vehicle. It's a L3 category.
Okay. What are the 400 kg of return down now? Max capacity of 400 kg, which is that one? Maximum capacity 400 of return that, not down.
Yeah. It can carry up to 400 to 500 kg. It can carry.
Okay. Okay. What is the this cost? Domestic vehicle?
Sir, this is a local market vehicle,
Okay.
which you can use it for a vegetable transportation
Okay.
or
Okay.
milk transportation,
Okay.
or you can use it in any hardware shop,
Okay.
and you can use it in a textile industries to move the materials.
Okay. What is the cost for that one?
Which one?
That one is showing in the picture in the brochure. What is the cost of that vehicle? Can you say?
It will cost you about 2 lakhs,
Okay.
including tax and
Okay.
registration also.
Okay.
If you are outside Tamil Nadu, we will give you temporary registration.
Okay.
You can register in your own state.
Okay. Currently in the company, the starting vehicle ranges from 2.5 to up
Yeah.
to 5
Yeah,
lakh
it
rupees,
starts from 2 lakhs to up to 6 lakhs.
no? 6 lakh. This is 6 lakh rupees, no?
Yeah.
This is 6 lakh rupees.
Yeah.
Okay. That's the capacity.
Yeah.
all type of custom requirements.
Yeah,
you
we
use
have
the- use the-
for the matlab, material handling and passenger vehicles we do customization, all types of customization.
Okay.
And on-road vehicles we have
Okay.
L3 and L5 category.
Okay. You also you also have any kind of auto rickshaws you also have, no?
Yeah, it's
Auto rickshaws you have, no?
it's a forthcoming product.
Okay.
The passenger vehicle also we are looking.
Okay.
Further in a year we may be launching it passenger vehicles also.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. ಬ್ಲೂ ವೇವ್ ಅಂತ ಇವರು ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ವಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ 7 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. What are the features are there? What are the features are there in your brand?
Sir?
What are the features I'm seeing here?
ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ
Okay.
ಕೆಲಸ
ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು?
ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದು 129
ಇದು
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 145
ಓಕೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ 65 ಸರ್
ಓಕೆ ಆಯಿತು ಇದು ಇನ್ವರ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಎನ್ವಿಯೋ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂತೆ. ಎನ್ವಿಯೋ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅದು ಕೂಲಿ ಮೊಡಲ್ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಕಾರ್ಗೋ ಟೈಪು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಈ ಕಟ್ ಲೋಡರ್ ಅಂತ, ಇದು ಕೂಲಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನ್ವಿಯೋ ಕೂಲಿ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಮಾಡಾಕ್ಸಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹಿಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಫುಡ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ X20 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನ್ವಿರೋ X20 ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಸೂಪರ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವೆರೈಟಿ ಇರೋದಂತೆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಎನ್ವಿರೋ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇರೋದು. ಪಾರ್ವಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Double batteries. All this you got many job vehicle batteries, no? Vehicle batteries, no?
Sir?
You got many for vehicle batteries, no? I saw that batteries, no? All type of batteries you're going to manufacture, no? Okay.
Sir, this is a waterproof battery, sir. Yeah, please, sir. Please take it.
What are features are there in a scooter?
Sorry?
What is the scooter scan, no?
Yeah.
What are the features are there?
So we have different variants of scooter. We have low speed, high speed,
Okay.
and battery swapping
Okay.
and fixed battery.
Okay.
So this one comes with either charging grid. So
Okay.
these are fast
Okay.
charging.
Okay.
vehicles.
Okay.
Just one. So this comes with fast charging,
Okay.
and we also give a offload charger.
Okay. What are the cost for this one?
This will be around 80 to 90,000,
Okay. This one?
and this one is a high-speed model.
Okay.
So this comes with Honda battery packs.
Okay.
So it's a swappable system that we
Okay.
use.
What is this one cost?
Sorry?
What is the cost of this one?
This will also come around 85,000.
Okay. And this is same only, no?
And this is a low speed vehicle and a high speed vehicle.
Okay.
So we are partnering with Sun Mobility for battery swapping services.
Okay.
So this will also cost you around 70,000.
Okay. This all removable package, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Everything is in the whole
Okay.
swappable battery.
Okay. And this is same only, no?
And this is also the same one.
Okay. Where is the company located?
This
This
is
brand?
located in Whitefield,
Whitefield. Okay.
Bangalore.
Okay.
near Nallula
Okay.
metro
Okay.
station.
Okay. Currently the showroom also is in Whitefield or somewhere else?
Currently we do not have showroom, but
Okay.
our factory is out
Okay.
there in
Okay.
Whitefield.
Okay. Customers book me, they have to just
Yes.
call you, no?
Yeah, we
Or
can
send a
call
mail ID and then you will send the vehicle.
Yes.
Okay. It's a newly launched brand, no?
Yes.
The current, because the I'm seeing this exhibition, I'm seeing the showcase and exhibition. Last year also event you were not there.
No, this exhibition we are not.
And last year happened.
Yes.
After you were not there, I think that's last year.
This is the first time.
Okay. Okay. MBO is a company name, no?
Yes.
Okay. All colors are same, no? All colors
Yeah,
are
we have
same,
different
no?
color options.
Okay. What are colors options you have currently?
We have green, red, and hazel blue.
Okay. But this is very unique color of
Yes.
showcase.
We have
Now,
specifically designed for delivery.
okay. Normally all electric vehicles they don't give this color.
Yes.
The brands I've seen here, so very unique color I've seen here.
It's going green. So
Okay, that's right. This is the colors. And we have Whitefield brand, new brand return. Auto industry. Also headlights and taillights brand.
This comes for 680.
And how many, what's the warranty? Kilometers? So what do you, warranty means you just replace the battery.
What features are there in Mahindra BD6?
Sir, main features is born electric completely.
Okay.
Its range is for Mahindra Tolerate 683, but
Okay.
real claim 500 plus. Sir.
Okay.
In features, cockpit design is interior design,
Okay.
and the double D sticker steering.
Okay.
And Qualcomm Snapdragon is there. Infotainment display. 24 GB RAM, 120 GB
Okay.
storage,
Okay.
and ADAS level 2 plus is there. 5 radars on vision's camera.
In rear, what features are there?
Sir,
In the rear, what features are there?
rear infinity roof is there.
Okay.
Main this is infinity roof with light map lighting.
Okay.
And boot space is for 455 liters.
Okay.
Front is for 45 liters is there.
Okay.
Main.
Okay.
This is ground clearance 208 mm.
Okay.
Wheel base is alloy wheels is 19 inches alloy wheels
Okay.
totally.
What are the current on-road price currently? BS6. What's current on-road price in Bangalore?
This is on road price is 3280.
Okay.
It's going on final is 32.
Okay. This and XC01 and what are the different features?
This is sporty look.
Okay.
This is luxury.
Okay.
Some this is additional length is there.
Okay.
That completely sporty look.
Okay.
This completely family purpose is luxury better.
Okay.
Front to ventilation seat. This
Okay.
additional PID infotainment display.
Okay. Little bit features have been changed you're telling. 06 and X9, little features have been changed you're telling. In features, little bit changes are there in features.
No, same features.
Okay.
But additional is PID display is additional.
Okay.
And is some length is this.
Okay. Okay. Now, what are color options I'm seeing? What are color options are there in this one? Color options?
Color option total 8 color is there.
Okay.
this Tango red,
Okay.
orange color,
Okay.
Everest white,
Okay.
white satin matte finishing,
Okay.
desert mist,
Okay.
matte finishing,
Okay.
stilt black, completely black,
Okay. Okay.
orange color, total
Okay.
8 variants,
Okay.
8 color.
This car can compare to the Kia EV 6 we can compare this car, no?
No sir, this is comparison Tata Curve and higher variant is comparison.
Okay. Tata cars only one better we can compare that telling.
Sir.
We can compare that. Okay. Next, what the future launches are in Mahindra?
Sir, I don't know sir.
Okay.
Any not updating.
Okay. Steering wheel is very nice. Looks like a racing wheel like a for this car.
Completely sports sir.
Steering wheel looks like a racing car only. Steering
Racing
wheel
car,
car for this car.
Sir, top speed is this motor 210 kW motor.
Okay.
380 Newton meter torque is there. VHP
Okay.
280 to BHP. Sir.
Okay.
Top speed you can reach that 180 190.
Okay.
In track में condition 200 is reached sir.
Okay.
This is rear wheel drive actually.
Okay.
India में first rear wheel drive.
Okay. Okay. Compared to Tata Curve, which will go faster in the range and top speed, worse for Tata Curve.
This is top sir.
Good. Compared to
Battery warranty is 15 years warranty, lifetime warranty is there sir.
okay. Compared to range, curve is better.
Sir, this is range better sir.
Okay.
This is 683 500 plus real. That one only top maximum 3 to 8 4.
Okay, as per the customer who bought and used, what's the customer claim when till now?
500 plus. 500
plus,
plus. 500 plus.
Okay,
Already Bangalore tested 508 is good.
okay, okay. If you charge once, you can always go. Yeah, always will come to final kilometer.
500 plus.
Okay, final
Yes, sir.
kilometer.
Yes,
What is the cost for charging on the full battery?
Sir, in AC charger maximum 600 to 650.
Okay.
In DC commercial outside is we can use that maximum 800 to 900 rupees.
Okay. Now I'm telling what are the cost like the charging cost of the customer or only overall cost for this car charging cost like aftermarket people charge at the petrol bunk now.
Petrol.
Charger what is the
Sir.
actual cost for this car?
Almost 800 to 900 rupees. Sir.
9 rupees is the
maximum, full charge.
Full charge.
Full charge.
Okay.
Your fast charging also is there. 175 input is there.
Okay.
You can use that 175.
Okay.
It will be charge 20 minutes full charge.
Okay.
0 to 80.
Okay. Very nice and huge vehicle you can say.
Sir.
For this vehicle. What is the servicing cost actually?
Sir, servicing cost is some low cost, sir.
Okay.
Because you only
Okay.
basic maintenance, sir.
Okay.
So only brake pads
Okay.
and coolant
Okay.
only you
Okay.
can use.
Okay. But that will how much because around the 600 rupees, sir. Around the
sir?
what is the service cost customer incur for every servicing cost? How much you have to spend around for this car servicing cost? Like
Sir.
around the 600 rupees around that.
No, sir. Almost on the 5,000 to 6,000
Okay.
maximum.
Okay. Same like a normal car you can say. Normal Mahindra car almost. In another vehicle you will be having a lot of other things they to change, but in this Mahindra car only brake oil and brake pads and coolant water.
Coolant only.
That will be changed every servicing na.
Normal, sir. 10,000 kilometers.
Okay. X1 and the same thing only, na?
Same,
Same
sir.
pricing
Same.
Okay.
That one 37 lakh this is.
Okay.
This is 30 to 80.
Everything is same for the
Same procedure.
And the range also same only.
Same.
Same range only.
Same features, same everything.
Okay. How's the response of customer?
Good, sir.
Because a lot of EVs are in the market, are very confusion.
Sir.
The Kia EV6, the Iconic 5 there, this is there, a lot of confusion for the customer range also. That's why. Because normally people that EVs are not compatible everywhere at Telina. Many of the stations are not available everywhere. That's why. Because Mysore Bangalore highway and there is no station there.
What, sir?
In Mysore Bangalore Expressway there is no station there. Mysore Bangalore Expressway there is no station there. Charging station.
No, sir. Sir, he will be going on 500 this is.
Okay.
Only 140 kilometer
Okay.
is there.
Okay, that's right.
Aram se he can reach.
Because some customers will tell will take a risk to charge on highway. That's why.
Aram se he
That's
can
right.
reach that 140 kilometers.
Okay.
Only.
Okay. From Army can go to Bangalore to Ooty. Ooty we can go on one charge.
One charge, single charge.
Single charge.
Sir, single charge.
Currently in the stations, is it their content stations?
Already
Charging
is there,
stations?
sir. Almost in Pan India, 25,000 plus already installed.
Okay. In our state, how much is the stations are there? In our state?
Sir?
In our state, Karnataka state.
I don't know, sir. Completely how much is there.
Okay. That's why the customer answer that questions now before buying the vehicle, and that's why that's answer.
Almost is there, sir. Because in system infotainment display is showing Apple.
Okay. Address is there, no?
Sir?
Address is there, no? On board, no?
That's level 2 plus is there.
Okay.
This is your main feature. Auto parking, remote parking is there.
Okay.
12 ultrasonic sensors.
Okay.
Get-up display is there.
Okay.
Air vision.
Okay.
Completely.
Okay. What we see in Mind
In braking region is also there, sir.
Okay, what you see in Mind XUV is 7 double same just are there. Other features are there in this also, no?
Sir. Additional is that.
Same
Sir,
feature.
16 speakers, Harman Kardon, Dolby
Okay.
Atmos.
Okay. How much airbags are there currently?
7 airbags.
7 airbags.
7 airbags. 360-degree camera is there.
Okay. And the speaker is Bose, no?
Sir?
Bose speakers, no?
No, sir. Harman Kardon.
Harman Kardon.
Harman Kardon.
Which same like Tata, Tata you also. Same
Tata
speaker
is doing Bosch, sir. I don't know.
No,
But this Mahindra is always
Okay, because Tata is Harman
the
Kardon.
top end, sir. Harman
Okay.
Kardon is good.
Okay. But they also
Top
same.
brand this is.
Okay. They also same they use that thing, sir.
Sir.
Adhika. Nice. How much variants are there?
Sir, total 5 variants VE6, sir.
Okay.
Pack 1, Pack 2, Pack 1, Pack 1 above, Pack 2, Pack 3, Select, Pack 3.
Okay,
Five
this one,
variants.
this
is top end.
Top end.
Pack 3.
Pack 3. Okay. In all the what are difference are there? Your total 5 variants.
Sir?
What are difference in that out of 5 variants?
Sir, feature difference, sir.
Okay.
Features and range.
Okay.
Some features difference. Sir.
Okay, what
Range, this is 79 kilowatt.
Okay.
Next variants are all in 4 variants, 59 kilowatt.
Okay.
That one 400 plus it coming.
Okay.
range.
And the price even same only, no?
Sir, some price is also some down.
Okay. Is also-
Pack 3 Select going on 20, 32, 27 almost.
Okay. The same is there for the display also, no?
Same.
Also.
That one 4 variants.
4 variants, sir.
Ah.
Okay.
Pack 1, Pack 2, Pack 3
Okay.
Select, Pack 2.
Okay. The display can Lamborghini would
Same like, this is like
TC would can tell.
sir.
Almost the shape. People who can't afford the 5 cord wood, they can buy this one. Very nice. This is on the this is whatever seats, no?
Sir?
This is whatever seats, no? Waist seats. This is 60-40 for the one, no?
Sir, 60-40 split.
Okay. What are the boosts will be done, no?
455 liter.
It's a very big boat, no?
Sir, big boat.
Compared to
Okay. That one 662.
Okay, compared to Tata Cow, this is bigger boat, no?
Big.
Okay. Okay then, thanks.